Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to reverse video in CapCut. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the CapCut, okay? Let's say for example, I want to go ahead and find a video that I want to, reverse. So let's say for example, this one, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and open up this video, for example, right? And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into the video section and I'm gonna just go ahead and take apart from this one, and then this one, and say I want, right? So I'm gonna select the part that I want to reverse in my CapCut. Click this one, for example, swipe left or swipe right, sorry, swipe right until you find a button called reverse right here. You're gonna find it, click on the reverse. Basically your video will be reversed straight away from there. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.